Hey there, dirt bike people. I'm Chuck from TrueTech. Today I'm working on a WR400. It's a 99. The linkage bearings and swing arm bearings are totally seized, and I'm going to show you how to get them out without using a hammer. So this is just a standard propane torch, nothing fancy. There we go. I think those are probably one of the worst ones that I've ever done. And in a normal situation, I would use a hammer. It would go a little bit quicker. But just to show you, if you use a good amount of heat, that was up at about 350 Fahrenheit. That's quite a lot of heat. But I just tapped them right out. And that way you avoid breaking the bearing outer races, the little shield that's around them. And you don't have to do any grinding, no cutting, nothing like that. Just use heat and tap them out. I should let you know, you got to be careful. With a propane torch, you can actually melt aluminum, so I wouldn't get it much hotter than 350. Most of the time, you can get them out with way less than that. And if you tap on them a little bit with a hammer, at around 200, they usually just come sliding right out.